singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love.
Hi guys, Calvin Bennett here with Highbar Roofing and Construction, bringing to you your LeTip moment of the week. The roof behind me I actually just got off of and was speaking with the homeowners, found out that it's going to be her and her mother living in this house. She's wanting to do a remodel and asked, what all that I could help her with. So I started going through everything and I started thinking, hey, guess what? I'm a part of a networking group, and this week's showboater is actually a home security specialist. We've got Reed Petrie with Brings Home Security, and he is going to be showing us the differences that he can do, upgrading you from the security system that you already have to what they have to offer, or if you don't have security at all, and what they can just bring into your home as a first run. We also have Colin West speaking this week, and Colin West is a water filtration specialist. Colin's company stands out as a company that shows you what a job well done is versus just the average Joe that wants to come in and just throw a bunch of things in there and say that they've done a good job. This week is a great week to come, see the presentation, visit the showboater, find out what you don't already know, things that you can help pass on to customers like this. Because of this, I've probably landed a full remodel job on this house, along with other LeTip members that have offerings that this customer needs. Please keep in mind, every time you're talking to a customer, all the things that our group can offer you and what as a networking group we can all do for each other. They can help you, just knowing somebody can help you land a job. Again, Calvin Bennett, Highbar Roofing and Construction, residential roofing specialist. Thank you.